After wrapping up from Scotland, we're heading to York, England. From Scotland, we're taking the ScotRail trains to Edinburgh Waverley Station because we need to catch an LNER train there going to York. But unfortunately, our train is delayed. So we will expect that we will reach in York at 3 o'clock. And now we're here inside the train, and the seats are super comfortable, and they have power sockets around it if you want to charge, and yeah, table also if you want to eat. After 2.5 hours of having a wonderful trip, we're finally here at York train station. We're about to step out now, and of course, welcome to York. Right, first things first, we need to check into our B&B. It's only 10 to 12 minutes walk from the York train station. And here we are. So we book our B&B, which is, the name is Bottom Tavern. I don't know if that's the right pronunciation. The doors that bears the name of completely different tourist spot here in York. And yeah, that's our room, York Castle. Let's check it out. I would say I absolutely love the decor in our B&B room, and the bed presentation is beautiful. Everything is totally spotless. And yes, the material, they have different types of fabric. And yes, let's go to the bathroom. And here you go. Actually, it's separated to the toilet. And beside of that is the toilet, which is someone is in there. I can't open it, guys. I would say yes, this is convenient B&B for the two of us. And then we decided to go out, and the place where we stayed is just 2 to 3 minutes walk actually from York, Minster, the Shambles, and the city center. So it's very handy, guys. That's why we decided to have a walk tour. We find a hole in the wall and then spotted the Viking shop, which is a lot of souvenirs. And yes, we end up to the shop. Now we're here at the street of York, Minster. This is formerly the Cathedral and Metropolitan Church of St. Peter in York. As I read about York Minster, this is one of the world's most magnificent cathedrals, a masterpiece in stained glass and stone, and a sacred space which has been at the center of Christianity in the north of England since the 7th century. Guys, it's amazing. And beside you will see the treasure house, historic house, garden and cafe. And then straight on to the College Street, where you can find the St. William College. After that, you will see the access point going to the York City walls. We're here now at the city walls, which is the elevated circular route around the city center. which can be accessed on foot for free throughout the year. It's the longest medieval town walls in England. Before we headed down to the York City walls, we spotted the York Art Gallery. You will see also the York Theatre Royal. As we continue our walking tour, we spotted also the Grand Opera House, and beside of that is the York of Dungeon. As we walk straight on to this street, we can comfortably walk to most of the spots in less than, I would say, 5 to 10 minutes. And then you will see also the York Army Museum. Just a minute walk across the street, where you can find as well the Clifford Tower. The Clifford Tower, it says that this is the largest surviving remnant of York Castle, a grand medieval fortress which is originally built by William the Conqueror. And around Clifford Tower and the historic bar walls, you will find the yellow daffodils, which is, it says, symbolize new beginnings, rebirth, and joy, because they are among the first flowers to bloom in early spring. And this is the national flower of Wales. And that's the end of our first day tour here in New York. I hope that you guys enjoyed it and let me know what you think, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.